This is Poltava Diamond Tools company. We are on the market since 1966. There are 300 people working at the factory. We produce diamond and CBN grinding tools for the following industries: automotive, production of the engines, camshafts, bearings and other auto components, cutting tools; aviation, production of turbine blades and different parts; energetics, production of parts for gas turbine plants, cutting of silicon plates; woodworking production and shaping of saw blades and end mills for wood; glass, processing of architectural, automotive, design glass and mirrors; production of ceramic tiles, processing of sapphire and precious stones; oil and gas, processing of drill bits; diamond tools for stone and construction, for retail and for professional use. We produce diamond tools which are used almost in all industries, including electronics, medical, nuclear power, etc. Our main advantages are wide product range, high quality, competitive price, ability to carry out individual solutions for different types of industries. The advantage of our company is that we are the only major manufacturer of diamond tools in Ukraine which has such a large range of tools for industrial markets. The growth of the assortment and the constant updating of the product lines is the key to the development of our company. We can offer OEM service, we can produce products under customer's private label. We can also develop an individual product for the needs of a particular customer. Every year, the company produces hundreds of thousands of units of products, which we supply to many countries of the world. Poltava Diamond Tools products are represented on the market by PDT, PD Tools and DMSR brands. Now we are open to cooperation and we are forming a distribution network in different countries of the world. We provide the most favorable conditions for our partners and are confident that our cooperation will be mutually beneficial.